Hey, how's it going? Yeah, Eli. Yeah, it's 03 i300. Monster service. Overs on them, 50 mil overs. Vertex for bumper. Back to 237V. Yeah, wheels probably just right now. Look at 52 wheels in the front right now. But other than that, pretty much all stock right now. I want to get some kits. Other than that, it's real good.
Yeah, I like it. It's a good looking car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Wow, you have it really tight in there, huh?
Oh yeah, it's pretty fun, man.
Wow.
That's a good place.
Yeah. Very cool. So what's the plans for this?
Later on, I'll probably do a TJ GT swap on it.
Okay.
But maybe just stock twins for now. I'm trying to boost it, of course, more boost. But other than that, it's gonna be like a stock, a little daily driver.
Okay. Neat.
Well,
Thanks.
We'll see how it goes. Thank you.
Thanks for bringing another one by, Eli.
Oh, definitely.
See you.
All right,